Chloe, come back, Chloe.
He just kennels. Jessica's here, and I did rod. Yukon Quest. Yeah, this big guy here. He hurt his shoulder like 6 months ago. He hasn't been able to run since. So Timbers 3 or 4. Timbers now 4 sisters. They're our best. Timbers all work.
No, do you see it?
A birthmark?
Like a little brown spot.
Oh.
I like Wyatt when you put him on the line. I'm always like, who's the greatest sled dog coming up? And he goes,
Love that one.
Which one?
That one.
Carhartt. Carhartt's awesome.
I know.
As soon as he was done pulling, he just laid down.
Yeah.
He was like, I'm good for the day.
Yeah. And he was our best dog. Yeah, he's 10 years old. He's probably got 20,000 miles on him. Yeah, they definitely have.
Come here.
He likes to play. He's still young.
Yeah.
He ran a lot today, so he's tired. Oh, that ain't fair, guys.
I had, so Della had it before, so now it's cool.
Huh?
When they go down the circle, then they lose it, and then they go to the next dog. That's what I've been doing.
She earned it. She got that one to the face.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Dang, I wonder where it bent that.
Come here. Do you want booty scratch? Oh.
They're all Alaskan Huskies, but that's just kind of a glorified term for mutt. So anything that has a double coat feature in it, so they either have to have Siberian in them, Malamute.
Oops. Puppy. Hi.
And you guys.
This is Snowy. Hi, Snowy. Aww.
He has such a nice coat.
I don't want to get jumped on, but I would love to say hi. You're the only dog I know. They posted him on the Facebook page that I looked at. Yeah. So he's the one that I know, and now I know a whole bunch.
What happened to this dog?
Gannicus. They were like crazy. He's the sweetest line. Gannicus on the other side. He's just a nutbag. No matter how long, he just thinks everyone's out to kill him. But Wind and Scout came from an abusive home, so they're very touchy dogs.
Aww.
Like Scout here, this one's a little lighter colored.
Yeah.
He's getting better. He doesn't hurt nobody, but he's so scared. So when we run him on the line, we gotta run him with like a mom type dog, like Sky or Ash, someone that kind of loves on them.
Yeah. Hi, Grumpy.
Or something broke off the wall, so it lands in the
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go down this path. Wow. Oh, it's so cool.
It's just better up here. And like the jobs are a little bit better.
Yeah.